Welcome to the Psychology in Phrases channel. Have you ever stopped to think about what really matters to women between the sheets? What makes them intensely desire to be by your side? I'm going to show you now. Did you know that there are two simple but incredibly powerful attitudes that can drive any woman crazy in bed? The funny thing is that most men have no idea what they are. And if you're here, it's because you want to go beyond the basics and learn how to make an unforgettable impact, right? So stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal exactly what you need to know to stand out from 99% of men. And get ready, because the second tip will completely surprise you. Hello, this is Manuela. Welcome to the channel once again. If your goal is to make a woman extremely excited, lubricated, and addicted to you, you're in the right place. Now I'm going to share two tips that will drive any woman crazy in the heat of the moment, making her feel much more horny and completely ready to reach climax in your hands. So, watch until the end and don't forget to leave your like. If this is your first time here, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and follow all the content. First tip. The first thing that really drives a woman crazy in bed is when you pull her panties to the side. This gesture increases her arousal in a surprising way. The usual thing is for the man to simply take off her panties and start the act. But you'll do it differently. Just pull her panties to the side, and only then start penetration or even oral sex. This action is extremely exciting for both you and her. In addition to being very pleasurable, this gesture awakens the female desire even more. Wait until you hear the second tip, because it is the key to awakening desire in a way that few can. Second tip. The second thing, especially during oral sex, is to compliment her intimacy. While you are enjoying that delightful moment, tell her how much you like it, how beautiful, tasty, and delicious you find it. Speak naturally, showing that you are really enjoying yourself. This makes the woman feel much more desired and confident. Just like men, many women also have insecurities about their genitals, the shape of the vulva, the labia minora and majora, and other details. These insecurities can even lead some to avoid giving their partner oral sex for fear of what he might think or feel. Just as you men have doubts about size, appearance, or thickness, women face their own questions. Therefore, when you compliment her and make it clear that you are enjoying it and that you find everything beautiful and pleasurable, it greatly increases her confidence. She will feel more surrendered, desired, and involved in the moment. This keeps the flame alive and awakens even more arousal. As a result, she will automatically want to reciprocate the pleasure and give the best of herself in the relationship. These two techniques are incredibly powerful. Now that you know this, if you want to discover even more secrets about female desire, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos that can transform your life. Until next time, kisses from Manuela.